of planet, the sun and other satellites. The sun is the center of our solar system. All the planets revolve around the sun. The path of revolution is called orbit. All the planets revolve around the sun in an elliptical orbit. Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun. Neptune is the farthest planet to the sun. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. We can say our solar system is a home in this Milky Way galaxy. The name of the planet in sequence are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. We can also learn these by our trait. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. Pluto was considered as the smallest planet earlier, but now it is not recognized as a planet. The sun is also a star. There are some human-made satellites which revolve around the sun, which collect the information from the space. The Earth on which we live is also a planet. The sun is 4.5 billion year old yellow dwarf star, a hot glowing ball of hydrogen and helium at the center of our solar system. It's about 93 million miles and 150 million kilometers from our Earth's surface. Our solar system is a sun. Without the energy of sun, life as we know could not exist on our home planet Earth.
Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and the closest planet to the sun. It is the second hottest planet in the solar system. Mercury is covered with a crater from the various impacts. The surface of Mercury is similar to the moon. The Mercury does not have any satellite or ring system. The Mercury is named after the Roman god of commerce, thievery and travel because it moves very quickly across the sky. Mercury has a very thin layer of atmosphere and it is made out of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium and potassium. The core of Mercury has a very high amount of iron, more so than any major planet. The temperature of Mercury are both hot and cold. The Mercury can be seen without binoculars or telescopes.
Planet in the solar system. Venus is the second planet from the sun. The diameter of Venus is 12,103.6 km. Venus is classified as the terrestrial planet. The size and mass of Venus is almost equal to that of Earth. Venus is described as the terrestrial planet. Venus is described as the sister of Earth. The atmosphere of Venus is surrounded by the clouds of gases. The temperature of Venus is 437 degrees centigrade hot. Venus takes 225 days to orbit the sun. Thank you.
Earth is the only planet in the solar system that sustains the life on the ecosystem. Earth is the third closest planet to the sun and the fifth largest planet in the solar system. We can say that Earth is also a blue planet because 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water and the rest 29% is covered with land. However, only 3% of water is fresh water and the rest is saline water like oceans and seas. Our Earth takes 365 days to complete the round around Sun and Earth is also round on its axis. Earth is the only planet in the solar system who provide water and air, so it is a responsibility to save the Earth. Thank you.
Mars is a planet located in the solar system. Mars is also known as the red planet. Mars is also a terrestrial planet like the Earth. Mars also has the season like the Earth. The distance from Mars to the Sun is about 227.9 million kilometers. Mars takes 687 days for complete its one revolution. The highest mountain in the solar system is Olympus Mons, which is present on the Mars.
The largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is the fifth planet in terms of distance from the sun. Jupiter is made up of gases and liquids. Jupiter's upper atmosphere is made up of hydrogen and helium. Water vapor, methane and ammonia gases are also found in Jupiter's atmosphere. There is no surface on Jupiter. The average distance between Sun and Jupiter is that 778.5 million kilometers. Jupiter takes 12 years orbit to Sun.
Saturn is the second largest planet of the solar system. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. The diameter of the Saturn is 1,20,500 km. There are large rings around the Saturn. Saturn takes 29 years to orbit the Sun. The average distance of the Saturn from the Sun is 1.434 billion km. The name of large moon around the Sun is Titan. Thank you.
There are 8 planets in our solar system. It is the coldest planet. It is the 7th largest planet in our solar system. The planet in the solar system. It is 8th from the Sun and it is the fourth largest planet in the solar system on the basis of mass. It is third largest planet in the solar system on the basis of mass. The mass of Neptune is 70 times that of Earth. The Neptune is coldest planet in the solar system. Neptune's atmosphere is always surrounded by clouds of gases.